How to show WhatsApp status to only one person. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right of the screen. Then click on settings. And here you want to click on account. Then click on privacy. On this page, from the first section, the who can see my personal info section, click on status, and as you can see, WhatsApp has set the who can see the status updates to all of the contacts. So what you need to do here is you need to click on the third option that says only share with, and it will bring up a list of all of your contacts that you have on your mobile phone. So go ahead and select the person that you want to share your status updates with. Say for example this one. Select it, and once you're done, click on save. And now once the settings have been updated, your status will be only showed to that specific person that you have chosen. So that was it for this video. That's how you can show your status on WhatsApp to only one person. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.